Here are the key controls for positioning objects in Arcadium. 1. To move an object, just click and drag it. 2. To move vertically or along a single axis, use the red arrows. 3. Snapping objects into a position is turned on by default. But if you don't want to snap objects, hold Shift while dragging or click the magnet icon. 4. To position doors and windows, just drag them over a wall. They will automatically snap to the wall and cut a hole in the wall for you. 5. Use the black distance labels to type in a precise distance from another object. 6. To align one object with another, hold Shift to select both objects, then use the Align tools to center them or to align them to the top, left, bottom, right or middle edges. 7. To rotate an object, you can use the orange handles or press the shortcut key, R. 8. To resize an object, you can use the blue handles. Press Alt while dragging to keep the aspect ratio unchanged. That's it for now. Happy building!